Hello everyone, my name is Trevor Haney and this is my Technology Integration Self-Assessment. After conducting some research and watching the videos, I found that I would categorize myself at the Authentic Learning Infusion level. I teach many different engineering courses at my high school, which include aerospace engineering, civil and architectural engineering, and mechanical engineering and technical drawing. The students are constantly using a variety of different technologies. I have a class set of laptops for each student, along with desktops, and the students all have their own iPads. The students are regularly on these devices throughout my lesson. In all of my classes, the students use the engineering design process to create projects. For students to submit their projects, they are always required to make a presentation or video of how their projects were designed and built. If the students are not working on hands-on or large-scale projects, they are always using simulators in my class. The students in my aerospace class use FoilSim to look at streamlines of airfoils or jump on the rocket software to predict the distance of rockets according to their orbital approach. Another key concept of my class is to teach the students real software used in industry today. In each of my courses, I have the students use an Autodesk software. In our mechanical drawing course, the students learn how to draw on Inventor, a CAD software. Or if they're in my architecture class, they learn how to create architectural drawings or blueprints on Revit. My goal is to get to the directed learning transformation level, so that I will be incorporating extensive and higher order use of tools to plan and monitor the students. I know that in my classes there are room for improvement, and I want to aim for my classroom to be even more technologically driven. I want to aim for more higher order thinking and planning for their projects. I would also like to connect my classes even more to the technology used in industries, businesses, engineering, and aerospace today. I feel that I have the technology at my disposal. I will try to work harder and implement better teaching practices to obtain my goal.